Welcome back. You can do compare and contrast with information that you get from ChatGPT. For example, if we were to look at this particular set of information that we have queried, we can look at an alternative framework. One of the things you'll notice is that when we write in context with a previous framework, the chatbot will give us additional context to what we have asked. And we can continue with the process. You're going to notice that there is a lot of similarity between the queries that we have returned. And one of the things that you may recall from a previous video is that in some cases, ChatGPT will make a leap in the information that it provides. And so you will need to make sure that you are finding references to verify the information that you are determining. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to confine the four contexts into one context. And we are going to click Enter. And as has been demonstrated in previous videos, we can then ask for specific references. And again, ChatGPT does remember the context in this particular chat area. We are now going to click Enter. And so basically, what we have done is we have determined a framework and we have determined references for each part of the framework that we are going to be working with. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.